how bill of quantity and manufacturing general appears and used in Tally ERP 9. How the voucher of manufacturing general and bill of quantity used in Tally ERP 9. Let's see how it will use. Okay, first F12 configuration. Here now you can see the allow components list details bills of material, make it yes. Okay, now inventory maintain batches we required. Okay, here we required maintain batches. Maintain batch wise details. F2 where we can see maintain batch wise details. Yes, here also set expiry date for batches. We don't need this one right now. So okay, now we have already created stock group. Already we have created stock group raw material. Now create finished goods. That was raw material goods, so we purchased the item and kept in the raw material. Now finish, we are keeping in finish. Okay, create finish. Okay, create finished goods, finished goods under primary. Can quantities be added? We can say okay, no problem. Okay, now stock item. In finish we are creating two different stock item. Okay, first stock item is a computer P4. Computer P4. Okay, under finish not applicable category. Okay, definitely in numbers. Alternative no need. Maintain in batches, yes, definitely. Tag date of expiry, no need. Set components bill of material, yeah, bill of material we have to set. For example, okay, one number computers. How much we are going? For example, hard disks from which godam? Assembling godam, one quantity. After hard disk, keyboard assembling godams, one quantity. Keyboard also monitor, one monitor assembling godan, one quantity. After monitor, motherboard assembling godan, one quantity. Then mouse assembling godan, one quantity. Then it's a computer P4, so take processor 4 assembling godan, one quantity. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 will appeared already. So okay, rate of duty is 4, tax 4 is a VAT rate. So this is how we have prepared already. Okay, so this prepared for P4. If you are preparing for another athlon, we have to use different. Now let's see the manufacturing general. How manufacturing general will appear. Okay, entries appeared in a manufacturing general. Let's see. Okay, accounting info, vouchers, create manufacturing journal. Okay, here take stock general. Okay, this one is automatic. Advanced engine you don't want, no, don't want. Effective dates for voucher, no optional, no use common narration, okay. Print after watching, okay, if you want you can take yes. Name class, no need, okay. Now we have created manufacturing general, okay. Let's see. Inventory voucher, here stock general is there, okay. So